This video is sponsored by Roccat. There's never been more great ways to game. But first, let's get unboxing. So I'm gonna channel my inner Judner here. And to start our epic gaming unboxing, start with what matters, well, aside from the PC, what matters most, the keyboard. This is the Vulcan TKL Pro by Roccat. In fact, all these products are going to be from Roccat. If you don't know the name Roccat, you probably know the logo if you're into gaming. They've been making sort of award-winning gaming peripherals for a while. So keyboards, mice, mouse pads, headphones, and kind of everything in between. So they asked if they could send over, literally a gigantic box of gaming accessories. I was all about it. I was excited, and I figured I'd like to take a look at stuff, so let me share it with you guys. This kind of takes the best of mechanical and I think modernizes it a little bit. It's actually optical keys here. So they feel mechanical. You get sort of that clackiness and that key throw of a mechanical, but the connection is going to be optical, which means you're gonna have a lot faster responsiveness. So if you are doing any competitive gaming or you're just playing online and you wanna put your best foot forward, having sort of optical switches is going to give you like a little bit of a competitive edge. All that aside, the normal keyboard stuff is here. It's not a ginormous keyboard, which I like. It's got more of a smaller footprint. Everything feels really nice. It is wired with USB Type-C into the keyboard and then USB-A into your PC. So they've got, it's an illumination engine, it's a fancy name. They're calling it AMO, but it's RGB and takes sort of your, I guess like battle station style setup. It'll synchronize lights with other AMO compatible devices. So it kind of gives you a cool aesthetic if that's something that you are into. But that was not the only thing in said giant box. Let's get to it. Next. All right, so this is the ELO line. We'll follow it from the entry all the way up to the premium. So first we have the ELO X, then we've got the ELO USB, and then topping out the line, we've got the ELO Air. So removable microphones across the entire line. These ones are actually like stupid comfortable. They look heavy, but they don't feel heavy at all. You've got dual adjustable headbands on top, really soft cushion ear cups, and that's true across the entire line. So all three of them also have precision tuned 50mm drivers. The starting lineup, so the ELO X is gonna give you a really nice stereo sound. If you wanna sort of take that level up, you wanna have better audio, you want 7.1 surround sound, so you can step up to the ELO USB. All right, so the big daddy, the Air. So wireless, you get 24 hours of battery life, which is awesome. Also super low latency as well. There's something wild in here. Potentially it's a superhuman audio setting is what they're calling it. You can enhance certain game sounds. So if someone's like creeping up behind you, you can hear those footsteps a little clearer, it'll magnify some of those noises that might be important to whatever you're doing actually in game. All right, so that's kind of the ELO line from start to finish. Really comfortable, high quality, and some kind of wild features built in to the higher end model. This like mini throw rug thing is a mouse pad. It's the AMO Sense mousepad, and it's AMO because it's got a full RGB strip going all the way around it. And the mouse to use on said mousepad, they sent us this guy, the Burst Pro. It feels like nothing, but don't let that fool you. This has the same optical switches that we saw in the keyboard, and it feels like a traditional mechanical mouse. But that optical switches means you're gonna get at least about 100 times quicker response rate, which you magnify that over a lot of clicks is going to matter with your gaming or whatever you're gonna be doing with the mouse. It also has all the AMO stuff built in, so full RGB-ness across everything. If you do want to take your gaming, take it seriously, you want to sort of get to a next level, you want to do some competitions, you're going to need things that have faster response rate, anything that can give you an edge. It's like a basketball player, with a new pair of sneakers that can give them a little bit of an edge, jump a little bit higher. This is a competitive advantage, and it's one that's available and can be used. So that was a bunch of Roccat stuff. It was my first time really seeing any of this stuff from the brand. And generally, things felt premium. They perform, as expected, they perform well. If you want to check out any of these or the other product lines they've got, we'll link to them down below.